If you're experiencing login errors on Venmo, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify common problems and provide solutions to get you back into your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Update the Venmo app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Venmo app. Go to your device's app store, search for Venmo, and update it if a new version is available. Step 3. Reset your password. If you cannot remember your password or suspect it may be incorrect, use the Forgot Password option on the login screen to reset it. Follow the prompts to create a new password. Step 4. Clear app cache. If you're using the app, clearing the cache can help resolve login issues. Go to your device settings, find the Venmo app, and clear its cache. Restart the app and try logging in again. Step 5. Contact Venmo support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Venmo's customer support for assistance. You can do this through the app or their website. Provide them with details about your issue for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most login errors on Venmo. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from their support team.